What's up, y'all? All right, today we are going to talk about different ways to multiply binomials. Okay, binomials are two-term expressions. We have two methods here. All right, we're going to talk about the FOIL method and the box method. Okay, so first, starting out with the FOIL method. Okay, let's say we have our two binomials. We have x minus 3. All right, and let me actually write this a little bit lower. We got x minus 3 and x plus 1. Okay. In this case, all right, FOIL, that stands for first, all right, outside, all right, inside, and last. All right. And if we think about where we're holding both of these like in our hands, all right, the first terms that we see in both binomials, we're going to multiply those. That'll give us x squared. All right, the outside, the ones that are on the outsides of our hands by my fingers, all right, those two there, that's the outside. All right, x times 1, that's going to be 1x. All right, same thing, holding them. Now the inside by my palms, right there, multiplying those two, negative 3 times x. All right, that is going to be a negative 3x. All right, and then last, all right, that's going to leave us with negative 3 times 1, that's negative 3. Once we have all those terms written out, all right, x squared plus 1x minus 3x minus 3, we're going to combine our like terms in the middle, and then we'll end up with x squared minus 2x minus 3, okay? So that would be our simplified answer, okay? Let's look at another example of that. All right, and I'll just leave these letters over here for organization purposes. All right, and let's say we have x minus 4 times x minus 5. All right, we still have our binomials, okay? First, x times x, that's going to be x squared. Outside, okay, that is x times negative 5, which gives us negative 5x, okay? Inside, that's going to leave us with negative 4x, all right? And then our last, we have a negative times a negative, so that's going to give us a positive 20. So that's x squared minus 5x minus 4x plus 20, okay? And then we will end up with x squared, after combining our like terms, minus 9x plus 20. Okay, those are two examples with the FOIL method of how we can multiply two of these two-termed expressions. All right, two of these binomials. I'm going to show you those same exact examples, but using the box method. So we should get the same answer. These are two different ways to do the same thing, okay? And you, all right, can decide for yourself which one you would prefer, okay? All right, let's do those same two things, but now we are going to use the box method. Okay, so back to that first example, x minus 3, and then x plus 1. Let's draw ourselves a box over here. Break it into 4 pieces. I'm actually going to shorten this down. All right, and I'm going to write my first binomial along the side here. So x, and then I'm going to take this sign with the 3. So that minus 3 is just going to count as a negative 3 there. All right, I got x and I got plus 1. I'm going to write that along the top. And what we are going to do is we're going to go down a column and across a row, and where the two terms meet, that's where we are going to write our multiplication. So x and x, that's going to be x squared, okay? X and negative 3, that gives us our negative 3x. All right, 1 and x, that's going to be 1x, and then 1 and negative 3 are going to combine there to be negative 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Rewrite them so that I can get organized. Combine my like terms, and then we'll end up with x squared minus 2x minus 3, all right, as our final answer. Okay, let's redo this with our second example that we did last time with the FOIL method. All right, and we had x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5. Let's rewrite the first one right here with x, and we're taking the negative with that 4, x up here, and taking the negative with that 5, okay? X times x, meeting here is x squared. X times negative 4, meeting here is negative 4x. X times negative 5, meeting here, that's negative 5x. And then negative 5 and negative 4, meeting here is going to give us that positive 20. Write it out for organization purposes. All right. Combine our like terms, and we end up with x squared minus 9x plus 20. Okay. All right, cool. 2 different methods to do the same exact type of thing, multiplying binomials. All right. I am going to give you a chance to have a couple of practice problems at the end of this video. But other than that, good job. And I will see you all next time. All right. Peace out.